If you have the Brave browser and you want to uninstall that, it's very simple. All you have to do is search up Control Panel in the Start menu and select Uninstall a program. From here, you'll see the Brave option is selected here. So just make sure that the Brave instances that are opened, you go ahead and close those, and then you can go ahead and right-click it and uninstall. So you'll say allow the app to make changes to your device. Just hit yes, and it's going to prompt you to uninstall Brave. All you have to do, let's select delete the browsing data, because if we're uninstalling it, we don't really need it. So I'll hit uninstall, and I'll select Google Chrome as what it wants to open it in. And what this is basically just a confirmation saying that Brave was well, it just opens up the Brave website, but it basically means that Brave uninstall was successful. And you'll know it because if you refresh the programs and features page, you do not see programs and features for Brave. So there you go. It is uninstalled for you.